Okay, well, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Hi, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
We are
We are
fine.
fine.
Fine. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So you got the previous class was speaking 1, yeah? So now we are going to have speaking 2. In speaking 2, in today's topic, we are going to learn about introducing others. Have you taken a look on your LMS on Canvas? Have you checked your LMS anyway? Yes, Hasmaruddin, you have checked your LMS. What did you do?
Yes.
Yeah, what did you do in the LMS? Have you tried to do the activity in the LMS anyway? Yes. So let's check it out. Share screen. So we would like to have LMS. Sorry. Course module. So this is speaking 2. Okay, right. Speaking to code D. Don't make a mistake. So my class belongs to code D. Week 2. Let's check it out. Okay, this one. So in this class, you will see week 2, welcome. Your objective, given a video and material discussion in virtual meeting, you are able to use some expressions of introducing others in the form of video accurately and fluently. Okay, so after this, we are going to discuss about how to introduce others. So let's click on next. So hello everyone, in daily life, sometimes we meet a friend when we bring a new friend. In that situation, you need to introduce your friend. That's why you need to follow this meeting to introduce your friend by using some expressions. Have you ever introduced other into your friend? Ada yang pernah memperkenalkan temannya kepada teman lain? Pernah ya? In English? Ada yang sudah pernah memperkenalkan? Pernah, okay, good. However, before we go to the materials, please watch this video to notice their expressions to introduce the other people. Drop your answer in the comments column below. Anda sudah mengerjakan? Belum? Belum dikerjakan ini ya? Setelah ini dikerjakan ya. Oke, setelah ini dikerjakan. Anda nanti komen di sini. Yes?
Yes, excuse me, Miss. In the module, saya gak ada anunya itu. Buat modul speaking 2 yang kode D gak ada. Access denied masih.
Access denied. Atas nama siapa, Mas?
Atas nama Ulil Fikri Orfana.
Ulil Fikri. Mas Ulil, coba kirim emailnya di WA group ya. Coba nanti saya masukkan. Oke?
Oh ya.
Permisi Bu, saya juga Bu.
Boleh yang belum masuk di LMS, di list di WA group ya. Nanti saya masukkan satu-satu.
Oke.
So after this, you are going to comment on it after watching the video. All right? So we're going to proceed to the next one. Cool. Let me maximize this. So there are useful expressions to use when you want to introduce others to another friend. Here are some useful expressions. You can say, hi, you can say your name, nice to meet you. And then, hi, my name is, it's a pleasure to meet you. You can say that. I don't think we've met. I don't think we have met before. My name is Susan. Pleased to meet you. Another expression is, let me introduce myself. My name is Susan. My name is Johnson. Okay. So how to respond? You can respond, nice. Pleased to meet you too. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Okay. So another one for introducing others, you can say, Barry, I would like you to meet someone. This is James. Anda bisa mengenalkan pakai this is, begitu ya, atau he is. This is James. Barry, I would like to introduce you to James. Atau, Barry, I've got someone I would like you to meet. Barry, there is someone I would like you to meet. May I present my brother James? So your response, hi. Hi, James, I'm Barry. Nice. Pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I've heard so much about you. Kalau ada orangnya terkenal ya, I've heard so much about you. You can say that. Kevin has told me a lot about you. Kalau Anda sudah sering diceritakan tentang orang ini, Anda bisa merespon dengan Kevin has told me a lot about you. Okay, ini response, introductions, and some expressions to response. Okay, so the next one. Look at the following dialogue. Bentar, ini agak mengganggu. Okay, look at the following dialogues to see the use of expressions above. Practice it with your partner before our virtual meeting. So, Yusuf, let me introduce you to Omar. Yusuf, this is Omar. Bisa pakai this ya. This is Omar. He worked at Telefonica agency in London previously. It is my pleasure to meet you, Omar. Oh, good to meet you too. Omar works for our New York branch at the moment. He is responsible for our international accounts. Okay, so dialogue 2, you can say, Sven, welcome to LA. Great to see you again. Great to see you too. How are you doing? Just fine. Do you know my colleague, Jim Olsen? What is colleague? What is colleague? Anyone knows? Kolega ya. Kolega itu teman teman kerja begitu. Colleague. So sure I do. How are you, Jim? Good, thanks. How was your trip? Not bad. Good. Let's go upstairs and get some coffee. Okay. Any one of you want to practice dialogue 1? Yes. Any one of you want to practice dialogue 1? Silakan. Shall I point you? What about you, Rangga, Hasmaruddin, and Ulil? So Rangga will be Ahmad, Hasmaruddin will be Yusuf, and Ulil will be Omar. Come on.
Okay.
Saya jadi Ahmad ya?
Ya, jadi Ahmad. Rangga Ahmad, Hasmaruddin Yusuf, Ulil Omar.
Ulil, let me introduce you to Omar. Kok Omar? Oh, nggak apa-apa lah.
Okay.
Ulil, this is Omar. He worked at Telefonica agency in London previously.
It's my pleasure to meet you, Ulil.
Good to meet you too.
Omar works for our New York branch at the moment. He is responsible for international account.
Okay, good. Thank you. So, ini bukan Rangga tadi gimana bacanya? Yusuf, let me. What do you say?
Introduce.
So the correct one, introduce. Introduce.
Yeah.
Kalau kata kerjanya, I would like to introduce my friend to you. Kalau perkenalan, introductions. Okay, today's topic is introduction. Introductions. Introduce. Can you repeat after me? Introduce. Rangga, can you repeat after me? Introduce. Masih di mute.
Introduce.
Okay, good. Hasmarudin? Introduce.
Introduce.
Okay, Ulil, introduce.
Introduce.
Good, introduce. Okay. Dialogue 2, any one of you? Dialog 2, ada yang mau? Silakan. Aldi. Aldi will be Bob. Muhammad Aan will be Sven. And Putri Kurnia will be Jim. Come on. Aldi,
Steven.
Muhammad Aan, and Putri.
Welcome to LA. Great to see you again.
Great to see you too. How are you doing?
Just fine. Do you know my colleague, Jim Olsen?
Sure, I do. How are you, Jim?
Good, thanks. How was your trip?
Not bad.
Good. Let's go upstairs and get some coffee.
Okay, thank you. Well, Sven, welcome to LA. Great to see you again. Great ya, bacanya great. Great to see you again. Great to see you too. How are you doing? How are you doing? Gitu ya. Just fine. Do you know my colleague, Jim Olsen? Sure I do. How are you, Jim? Good, thanks. How was your trip? Not bad. Good, let's go upstairs and get some coffee. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau belajar bahasa Inggris harus ekspresif, lalu dikeluarkan saja, jangan malu-malu. Great, jangan great, begitu enggak? Kalau bahasa Inggris itu ada intonasinya, great, begitu. Great to see you again. Kalau teman-teman tidak begitu, nanti tidak pronunciation-nya kurang tepat nanti. Great to see you again. Welcome to LA. No, you need to be expressive. Welcome to LA. Great to see you again. Begitu ya. Okay. Thank you, Aldi, Muhammad Aan, and Putri Kurnia. So now let's move on to the next one. Okay, before that, I would like to show you a video. There. Ininya tidak bisa. Okay. Okay.
In lesson 1, we saw how to introduce.
Can you hear the voice?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good.
Ourselves. In today's lesson, we are going to see how to introduce other people. So pay attention to our conversation. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Anna. How are you today? I'm great, thanks. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks. Anna, this is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna. Sorry, what's your name again, please?
My name is Pedro.
Ah, pleased to meet you, Pedro.
Pleased to meet you too, Anna.
Did you notice that Anna didn't understand Pedro's name? So she asked, what's your name again, please? To introduce people, we always use the demonstrative this. This is Pedro. This is Anna. So listen to the conversation again and repeat in the pauses. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
Coba diikuti ya. Tadi yang ada pause-nya, ada tulisannya good morning. Teman-teman coba dilafalkan. Sekarang mic-nya coba di unmute. Ya, kita latihan ya. Kita hilangin ya. Kita ulangi. Silakan mic-nya di unmute, lalu teman-teman praktek bersama.
Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, Chris.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, Chris.
Morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Morning, Anna. How are you?
Morning, Anna.
How are you today?
Good.
morning, Anna. How are you today?
Oke, pakai intonasinya yang benar ya. Coba tadi. ini ya. Good morning, Chris.
Good
Morning,
Grace.
Oke, suaranya dikeluarkan ya. Jangan good morning, Chris. Gitu kurang ekspresif. Good morning, Chris. Gitu ya. Oke.
Good
Coba.
morning, Chris.
Good, Aldi. Thank you, Aldi. Lalu responsnya apa? Good morning, Anna. How are you today? Coba.
Good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
How are you today?
Oh, masih ada yang malu-malu ya. Good morning, Anna. How are you today? Itu kurang.
Berat
kurang
kipian
dapat.
nih.
Kenapa? Oke, good morning, Anna. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna.
How are you today?
Oke, cool. Selanjutnya.
I'm great, thanks. How are you doing?
Coba.
I'm
I'm
great.
great.
How are you doing?
Okay, I'm great, thanks. How are you today? Sorry, how are you doing?
I'm great.
I'm great.
Thanks.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Okay,
How
I'm
do you
great, thanks. How are you doing?
Great. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks. How are you doing?
Okay, good. Itu agak sulit ya, mungkin kalau yang tidak biasa melafalkan great, great, bukan great tapi great. Kalau great itu salam ya.
Great.
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 Okay.
I'm great.
Soundnya antara e sama a. Great. I'm great. Thanks.
I'm great. Thanks.
Betul. Terus? How are you doing? Begitu ya. Oke, so kita
How are you?
lanjutkan.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How are you doing?
thanks.
How are you doing?
Terus? Tadi kan pertanyaannya how
I'm
are you
doing
doing?
fine.
I'm doing fine, thanks.
I'm doing fine. Thanks.
Yes, good. I'm doing fine. Thanks. Coba.
I'm doing
fine.
I'm doing fine.
Fine. Thanks.
I'm
good.
doing fine. Thanks.
Iya. Oke. Tadi pertanyaannya how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks. Begitu ya. Oke. Selanjutnya.
Anna, this is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna.
Ayo.
Anna.
This is Pedro.
Ayo kamu.
Anna.
Okay.
Anna.
Okay, you can say Anna, this is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna.
Ada Pedro.
Coba, ada yang mau coba? Silakan.
This is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna.
Itu kurang ekspresif
Robot
itu.
aja.
Robot itu. Google Voice. Coba. Anna, this is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna.
This is Pedro. Pedro, this is
Anna, this is
Oke, good, Rangga.
This is Pedro. This is Anna.
Oke, good, cool. Ya, kalau memperkenalkan orang bisa pakai demonstrative pronoun. This ya, this is bisa begitu. Oke.
This is.
Selanjutnya,
This is.
What's your name again, please?
This is.
ini kalau biasanya kalau namanya terlalu sulit ya, kalau namanya misalkan Aldi begitu jelas ya. Kalau namanya misalkan Mr. Sven begitu kan agak sulit ya. Anda bisa bilang sorry, what's your name again, please? Begitu. Coba.
Sorry.
Sorry, what's your name again, please? Begitu.
Sorry. What's your name again, please?
Okay, good. Sorry, what's your name again, please?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Oke. Jadi nggak apa-apa teman-teman agak ke Inggris begitu karena memang pronunciation atau pelafalannya sorry. Sorry, what's your name again, please? Oke. Setelah
What's your name again, please?
good.
Sorry.
Okay, good. Next.
Sorry.
My name is Pedro.
Sorry. I'm underwater.
My
Kalau
name
you,
is
my name is Pedro. My name is Pedro.
My name
Jadi
is Ukura.
good. Oke, satu kata kunci yang harus saya tekankan di sini adalah jangan datar, karena bahasa Inggris itu punya intonasi, ada word stressnya. Word stressnya misalkan I would like to present gitu. Present. I would like to give you a special present. I would like to present. Jadi beda stres, beda arti. Ya. Misalkan yang pertama, kalimat pertama dari saya, I would like to present my presentations. Artinya present, artinya apa?
Mempresentasikan.
Mempresentasikan. Stresnya tadi di syllable awal atau akhir?
Akhir.
Akhir ya, present gitu. Kalau I would like to give you a present. Artinya apa? I would like to give you a special present.
Memberi hadiah.
Hadiah. Stresnya di mana? Di awal atau di akhir? Awal, good. Jadi itu beda stres, beda arti. Jadi misalkan ini my name, jangan datar aja my name is, tidak begitu. Tapi my name is Pedro, gitu ya. Oke. Next. Silakan.
Please to meet you, Pedro.
Nice to meet you, Pedro.
Good.
Pedro.
Mas Marudin. Please to meet you, Pedro. Okay.
Nice to meet you,
Please
Pedro.
to meet you, Pedro. Okay. Ada sambutan begitu. Oh, senang berjumpa dengan Anda. Good.
Please to meet you, Pedro.
Okay. Please to meet you, Pedro. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Next.
Please to meet you too, Anna.
Please to meet you too, Anna.
Please to meet
Please
you.
to meet you,
Anna.
To meet you too, Anna. To meet you too, Anna.
Nice to meet you, Pedro. Inggris salah. Inggris.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
Kolo-kolo.
Okay, call.
Now, read the conversation with us, speaking in the same rhythm and intonation. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Anna. How are you today? I'm great, thanks. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks. Anna, this is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna. What's your name again, please?
My name is Pedro.
Pleased to meet you, Pedro.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Now you are Chris. You are going to interact with
Okay.
me and with Pedro.
Gitu ya. So that's how to introduce others. So the activity after this, you're going to introduce your friend in English. Simulasinya seperti Pedro, Anna, dan Chris tadi ya. Okay. So let's see the next activity. Okay, let's practice. After looking at the video introducing others, learning its expression, and practicing the dialogues, now is your turn to make your own introducing others dialogue. With your speaking partner, make a dialogue by using the expression of introducing others. Make sure your voice is clear. Tadi ya, make sure your voice is clear. Harus ekspresif ya, tidak boleh datar. Ingat, tidak boleh datar. Okay. Indeed, you may edit your video as creatively as you can, then upload your video to your YouTube channel and submit its link in the above button. Good luck. So, aktivitas setelah ini silahkan bertiga ya. Bertiga, buat dialog perkenalan. Singkat saja seperti tadi ya. Hello, good morning, Chris. How are you today? Begitu ya. I'm fine, thank you. Gitu. Chris, I would like to introduce you to Pedro. This is Pedro. Anna, this is Pedro. Pedro, this is Anna. Gitu. Sorry, what's your name again? My name is Pedro. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Begitu ya, bertiga. Mudah saja ya, silakan zooman bertiga-tiga begitu, lalu di-record. Nanti di linknya di-upload di Google Drive kalau Anda malu di YouTube. Kalau mau eksis di YouTube, silakan di-upload di YouTube. Begitu ya. Oke, so that's our activity today. Anda coba dilihat di platform Anda ya. Ada submission linknya nggak di sini? Karena di sini sudah ada. Di saya kok tidak terlihat. Nanti teman-teman bisa beritahu saya submission linknya. Okay, is there any questions? Is there any questions from you?
Nothing, inshallah.
Nothing, inshallah. So it is clear. Jangan tanya deadline-nya kapan. Kalau sampai, ini kan kelasnya sampai jam 12 ya. Okay, hopefully you can finish before 12, tapi kalau tidak bisa, enggak apa-apa. Yang penting hari ini dikumpulkan. Begitu ya? Is that the thing? 3 pas ya? 3. Silahkan cari temannya masing-masing.
Lebih satu lah, Miss.
Kenapa?
2.
3.
Orangnya
22.
22, nggak apa-apa. Ada yang 3, nanti mungkin kalau yang kurang bisa 4 boleh. Kan pura-puranya nggak kenal 2 begitu boleh. Anna, this is Pedro. This is siapa? Aldi, misalkan begitu. Aldi is engineer. Pedro is architecture, misalkan begitu. Ya, oke. Boleh 3, boleh 4. Kalau memang kurang temannya 22. Kalau kurang atau lebih, tapi jangan 2. Kalau 2 kan tidak bisa introducing others. Nanti jatuhnya introducing oneself. Anda memperkenalkan diri Anda. Kalau introducing myself kan ekspresi yang digunakan my name is, I am gitu. Kalau introducing others Anda bisa this is Pedro, she is an architect misalkan begitu. He is an artist, bisa begitu. Oke? Jadi penggunaan she, he itu sudah beda. Ingat jangan 2, 3 atau 4 boleh. Gitu ya. That's all for today. No questions? No.
Yang di kanvas
Nothing.
di
Gimana Mas Aldi?
masih belum ada kursnya.
Setelah ini saya masukkan. Saya masukkan di people ya. Oke. Oke, thank you very much for your active participations. Ingat pesan saya, jangan datar, harus ekspresif. That's it. Oke. Thank you. See you next meeting insyaallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.